everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I have another haul for you guys. I didn't mention this before, but this month is my birthday month, and I actually celebrated my birthday a little while ago. So my husband gave me a little budget to shop online since I haven't been able to go to the stores because I am still on lockdown. Yes, so just so I won't go stir crazy, I was able to do some online shopping, and some of the stuff have just started to come in. I've also been trying to organize, cleaning and organizing, and my desk is finally so clean right now. The cleanest that it's been in months. So I'm really happy about that. And again, I am still trying to get some storage, just to make my desk a little bit more organized, and I don't know, so I can actually have more working space. So I did get this 360 rotation. It's a cosmetic organizer. I actually decided to put my mixed media stuff on it since I've been using a lot of my chalk paint, and so instead of putting cosmetic brushes here, I actually have my paintbrushes and things that I need easy access to when I'm doing like my DIYs for the home. So yes, that is what I'm using my little organizer for. I already have it set up right here. It's a little big to show, but scrapbook.com has something similar to this, and it's about the same price. Well, I saved a little bit actually. I think I paid $16.99 for this on Amazon. Scrapbook.com has one. I think it's called Craft Tower. I believe that's what it's called. And it runs about $19.99. My husband also got me one of these iris shelves in white. And I'm going to put that under my desk. And then I finally got one of these storage for my distressed stamp pads. So got some more of the magnetic vent covers. Now I hadn't been really using this one because I started getting the ones with adhesive in the back, and this is also from Amazon. This is the one that I've been getting. It's this brand here. I also, got to using this one. This is the 5x7, and the reason I needed to get another one of these is because I have some dies that came in from Ali, and I have one that's really big, and so let me actually go ahead and show you that right now. But this comes in a 3-pack. Again, it's similar to the ones that you can pick up at Home Depot, which are the vent covers, magnetic vent covers. Okay, but the reason I got that is because I got this huge die, you guys. I was enabled by my BFF Erica. Hey girl, no surprise there, right? I'm always enabled by her. She's the die queen. So and I got this, I purchased this a while ago. It came a while ago. I just hadn't shared it, but it's that open book nesting die. And then I did get one from my design team package from Alina Craft, and I love it. I love that one too, and it's smaller though. So and I had purchased this before I even got my Alina Craft package, but I think it'll still go along with it. But what's nice about this is you can make larger projects. Of course, I won't be able to fit this through my die cutting machine. I have a Sizzix Big Kick, and so I'm sure I'm probably only going to be able to use probably up to this one or maybe this one. But you can still just use it as a stencil. It's not going to be really hard to cut because it's almost rectangular, right? I got this right here. I believe you can buy these separately or together, but look how adorable they are. It's a 3D heart bow. Again, enabled by my BFF. I had to get this one. It's just so cute, so dainty. It comes in 2 different sizes, so I had to grab it. So finally got this word die with the shadow layer. This says Happy Mail which is perfect for me. My BFF again enabled me, and she made, I believe she made a layered piece. I don't know if she made a shaker. I can't remember. You can definitely make a shaker out of this though. This piece right here. Anyway, they layer, it says love. This one here that says Easter. Again, enabled by my BFF. So I also got these, which are, I just love the little ears, but they are paper clips. So you can make paper clips. But I just absolutely love the little ears. I think they're so cute. And then lastly, I got this one. Wait, I feel like I got another one, but no, I guess that's it. This is a unicorn, and it's a little treat holder, or I think it actually works for a lollipop. So you would put the lollipop, it's like you would sandwich the lollipop inside these two flaps, I guess. But anyway, it's a little unicorn, as you can see the face there. It's just so cute, and I had to have it in my stash because you guys know I love unicorns. I also bought a couple of other things for Easter, but it hasn't come in yet. Then I also got this from Amazon. I wanted to try the Gorilla Glue. I don't know how well that works, but I know a lot of ladies who do home decor DIYs, they use Gorilla Glue, and it says here 5 times more durable. So I'm gonna give it a try, and I thought it was a good deal on Amazon. It's their value pack. So yeah. And then another thing that I got was this Posca pen. It's a paint pen, actually. These are pretty expensive for just one. I mean, they're like maybe $5–6. So to me, that's kind of expensive for just one paint pen. But I thought I'd give it a try. This one is the fine tip, and as you can see there, it's the 0.7. I'm looking right here, 0.7 millimeter. So it is a very fine tip, as you can see there. A lot of you guys are doing Ray-Den inspired projects, and I thought I'd give it a try. So I went ahead and got this instead of, you know, using your vinyl. I can do that too because I have a Cricut, but you know, it's kind of easier. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can do it with just my handwriting. I decided to get some ribbon. I realized I didn't have any black and white gingham. This is the 1/4 inch, which is really hard to find at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, because usually the thinner ones they have, most of them are, I don't know, like 3 or 5/8 of an inch, I think. This is a 1/4 inch. And it was such a good deal because I did my math, and the ones that you get at Hobby Lobby, usually they're 5 yards. For the thinner ones are usually like $2, but it's still cheaper because this one is 50 yards, you guys. I mean, it's a big roll, as you can see there. 50 yards, and it's just a little bit cheaper, and it's 6 millimeter, or like I said, a 1/4 inch. So I got that one, and then I got the bigger one. This one's a little bit pricier, but still, doing my math, it's still better than getting it at Hobby Lobby, even with the sale. So and again, this is 50 yards. It's a really big roll. I figured, you know, I'm gonna use this a lot because you can use this all year round, really. Can you believe it? I found some greenery. Look at how pretty this is. I was really impressed. I realized just, you know, by watching all the DIYs and, you know, just learning how to create flower arrangements, home decor stuff. You know, one of my favorite greenery is the not Boxwood. Yeah, these are Boxwood. The Boxwood, I like the eucalyptus. I think I've said that before. And then the lamb's ear. Those are the greeneries that I absolutely love to use. There's just something about, I just love the whole look of the petals, you know, on the boxwood and the eucalyptus. They're small and they're rounded. I don't know why. I love that look. So anyway, I got such a great deal on these. Probably like equivalent to like maybe 2 bunches at the Dollar Tree. So for me, that was such a great deal. I think I paid maybe around $10 and I got 6 of these. So 6 bunches, which seriously, it's gonna cost you about the same if you were to get a bunch of them at the Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and also make sure you click on that subscribe button. I hope you guys do. You are all welcome to my channel and I totally appreciate you guys, your support, and please stay safe again with this whole COVID pandemic. You know, please be very, very careful. Do great hand washing. Don't touch your face and stay home, you guys. Really, it really does make a difference to prevent the spread of the virus. It is only getting worse, you all. So please stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of your families, especially your elders. You know, they are more susceptible. So thanks so much for watching and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.